QK3008 is the 1310 series Greaseable CV rebuild kit with centering yoke. It fits many popular 4x4 vehicles from 1967 to 1986 with splicer 1310 by 1310 double cardan constant velocity drive shafts, including the 1969 to 1977 Blazer and Jimmy pickup, the 1975 Dodge, the 1970 to 1978 Ford Bronco, 1974 to 1979 Ford F-Series, and lastly, the 1971 to 1986 Jeeps. The QK3008 kit includes 3 Greaseable 1310 series USA-made universal joints, 2 cup type grease fittings, a Greaseable CV centering yoke, and thread locker for the CV attaching bolt. For more notes, applications, and guides on this part, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey there, friends. We sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web at the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and a comment on what you saw. Let us know if you want to see a different product featured here. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new content. We have new content coming out every week. We appreciate having you along while we grow this channel. Thanks for watching and good luck keeping your rig on the road.